If you want to use Chrome extensions on your Android phone, there are a few browsers that make it possible. And here are the top 3 you should consider in 2025. First, Kiwi browser is probably the best known option. It's based on Chromium and supports a wide range of desktop Chrome extensions. You can even go to the extensions page and enable developer mode to install extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store. According to sources like Guiding Tech and Reddit, Kiwi browser gives the most desktop-like experience, although it has recently stopped being actively maintained. Second is Yandex Browser for Android. Like Kiwi, it's built on Chromium, so you can install some Chrome extensions directly from the web store. Yandex also has its own small extensions catalog with popular tools like LastPass and Pocket. While not every Chrome extension works perfectly, Yandex is praised by tech reviewers for its polished interface and decent extension support. Third, there's Keta browser. This newer browser is designed for power users and offers full Chrome extension support. It's optimized for privacy, speed, and modern extension APIs, including Manifest v3, making it more future-proof. According to recent reviews from Keta's official blog, this browser is ideal for those who want maximum compatibility with modern desktop-style extensions on Android. Why these 3? Kiwi browser gives the most desktop-like experience. Yandex combines extension support with a smooth interface and curated mini store, and Keta is powerful, modern, and privacy-focused. Things to watch out for. Not all Chrome extensions work perfectly on mobile. Some desktop-only ones may fail or behave oddly. Extensions can also use extra memory and slow down your browser, so it's important to only install trusted extensions and regularly review your installed ones. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more mobile browser tips, and comment below which Chrome extension you want to try on Android next.